Hello, my name is Tiara, and in this tutorial I will show you how to import your own materials in KPS.MAX. To import your own colors and materials, click on Menu, Manage, on Materials. Here you can see a few materials that I have already imported. You can add as many more colors as you like using this button. For example, simply select and open a screenshot that you have taken online. Within a design, you can use this material for room elements, decorative items, or even fronts and long parts, for instance. We'll select the floor and click on Select Material in the inspector. The Own Materials area must be selected, and the plus button gives us access to our global materials, which we can now assign to this design. As soon as the desired material has been selected, we can configure the material as usual with Next. Apply finalizes the change. We can also change the wall using the same principle. We can activate this by clicking on Select Material, Own Materials, Plus, and then selecting and applying the desired material. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.